My own reflection screamed back at me. I was Marcus, a former history teacher just trying to pay rent after a tough year. This substitute gig at Westlake Academy seemed easy money. Then I saw the rules taped to the dark, ancient door. Rule number 1 said, when the children start whispering, do not turn your back. I saw it printed plain as day. Then the bell rang. 27 second graders filed into the underground classroom, too quiet, too still. My stomach dropped. Something felt deeply wrong. At 10 in the morning, the whispering began, a soft rustle like dry leaves from the back of the room. My hand froze on the blackboard. I knew I should run, but the 7 $100 bills in my pocket felt too heavy to abandon. I just needed to get through the day. The whispering grew louder, a low hum, then a buzzing. The lights flickered, casting weird, long shadows that moved on their own. I remembered my old history lessons, tales of ancient rituals and things that watched from the edges of sight. It was just a story, I told myself, just a story. I couldn't move. The buzzing filled my head, not from the children, but from inside me. It vibrated in my teeth, my bones. I strained to see, to understand. I finally twisted my head, just an inch, just to the edge of my vision. A shadowy form, taller than any child, stretched out from the first desk. It wasn't one of them. It was a projection, a hunger. The air grew cold. My breath hitched. This wasn't about teaching. This was about being observed, about being food. I had to get to the button. Rule 4. Insubordination must be immediately punished. With a gasp, I ripped myself free from the unseen hold. The whispers screamed now. They clawed at my mind, trying to pull me back. I lunged across the desk. My fingers scrabbled for the button, a single red disc embedded in the wall behind the teacher's chair. The air crackled around me. Just as my finger touched it, I saw my reflection in the polished surface of the button. But it wasn't my reflection. It was a child, a face I'd seen in the class, staring back, smiling with too many teeth. Then I understood. The rules weren't for the children. They were for us. The teachers. I pressed the button. The room vibrated. A high-pitched shriek tore through the air, from every child, from every shadow, then silence. Absolute, crushing silence. I stumbled out, past the round door, up the echoing steps. The receptionist wasn't surprised this time. "See you tomorrow," she asked. I just nodded, the taste of ash in my mouth. I touched the money in my pocket. It felt cold, heavy. I couldn't leave. I couldn't abandon the next Marcus, the next teacher. I was stuck, bound by the children's secret, by the Academy's truth. Did you catch the warning sign? Watch it again.